Hello trainees. Welcome to today's class of week number 30. In week number 30, we are going to discuss about the topics of 1. Vernier micrometer. 2. Calibration of measuring instruments. 3. Mechanical fasteners. 4. Screw thread micrometer. In previous video, we are already discussed about vernier micrometer and calibration of measuring instruments. In this video, we are going to discuss about remaining two topics. Come, let's go. The third topic we are going to discuss about is mechanical fasteners. Let's see the objectives of this topic. You shall be able to define mechanical fasteners, classification of fasteners, state the application of various fasteners and their uses. Let's see the definition of mechanical fasteners. A mechanical fastener is a device that mechanically joins two or more components together easily and also can be dismantled without damaging any components using hand tools or power tools. Then, discuss about the classification of mechanical fasteners. According to the need and usage, they are classified into three categories: temporary or removable fasteners, semi-permanent fasteners, and permanent fasteners. Let's discuss about the types one by one. First, temporary or removable fasteners. The fasteners like bolts, nuts, screws, studs, etc. enable us to join two or more components easily and also can be dismantled without damaging any component using hand tools or power tools. The most common types of male fasteners used in industry are hexagonal head, square head, flat or counters, sunk head, round head, socket head, or Allen head, button head and socket set screws, etc. The most common types of female fasteners, that is, nuts, used in industry are regular hexagonal nut, square nut, round nut, and nylon ring, elastic stop nuts, etc. And the uses of temporary fasteners are: these types of fasteners are used for assembling two or more components together to make a sub-assembly or to make a full assembly. The second type is semi-permanent fasteners. The fasteners like rivets are used to hold the plates or steel sections firmly. The rivets are placed through the pre-drilled appropriate holes in parts to be joined or assembled. By using rivet sets, the tail part of the shank is formed into the head, closing the hole. The plates are held between the heads on cooling. Rivet is a cylindrical rod, either carbon steel or wrought iron or non-ferrous metal. It consists of a head and shank tapering at the end, facilitating easy placement in the rivet holes. During dismantling, the rivets may be drilled to remove the plates already together without spoiling them. This process is a permanent as well as a semi-permanent in nature. According to the head type, the rivets are called snap head, pan head, countersunk head, flat head, etc. And the uses of semi-fasteners are: rivets are used in shipbuilding, bridge girders, structural towers, goods wagons, boilers, and heavy pressure vessels industry, and also for small-scale applications too. The third type we are going to discuss about is permanent fasteners. Arc welding, gas welding, and brazing are the operations used in industry during permanent fastening of components and structures. Once the arc welding, gas welding, and brushings has been done, the components or the structures cannot be separated without damage. Hence, these type of fastening is called permanent fastening. And the uses of permanent fasteners are to hold steel plates or structures together, like goods wagon building, ship building, bridge structures assembling, etc. Sometimes before doing welding, the components or the parts hold together with temporary fasteners like bolts, nuts, screws, rivets, etc. And the last topic we are going to discuss about screw thread micrometer. Let's see the objectives of this topic. You shall be able to state the features of a screw thread micrometer, state the features of the 3-wire system of measurement with the help of tables, select the best wire with the help of tables for using in the 3-wire method. Let's see the introduction of screw thread micrometer. This micrometer is used to measure the effective diameter of the screw threads. This dimension is important because the area of the thread flanks in the vicinity of the pitch line is where the greatest transmission of force occurs between mating threads. This is very similar to the ordinary micrometer in construction, but has facilities to change the anvils. The anvils are replaceable and are changed according to the profile and pitch of the different systems of threads. Next, we are going to see 3-wire method. This method uses 3 wires of the same diameter for checking the effective diameter and the flank form. The wires are finished with a high degree of accuracy. The size of the wires used depends on the pitch of the thread to be measured. For measuring the effective diameter, 3 wires are suitably placed between the threads. The measuring wires are fitted in wire holders, which are supplied in pairs. One holder has provisions to fix 1 wire, and the other for 2 wires. While measuring the screw thread, the holder with the 1 wire is placed on the spindle of the micrometer, and the other holder with 2 wires is fixed on the anvil. Then last, we are going to discuss about selection of best wire. The best wire is the one which, when placed in the thread groove, will make contact at the nearest to the effective diameter. The selection of the wire is based on the type of thread and pitch to be measured. The selection of the wire can be calculated and determined, but ready-made charts are available from which the selection can be made. To boost your brain power, we are going to play one quiz related to this topic. The question is, what is the name of the part marked as X? The options are A. Micrometer anvil, B. Pitch, C. Micrometer spindle, D. Wire. Yes, you are right. The answer is D. Wire. With this, we are completed the topics in week number 30. I will be back with the new interested topics. Thank you.